Welcome back to the Morongo Casino Thingy Open Day 2. Well, it fits.
Morning.
Yeah.
Are we having fun yet?
Yeah, the bowling hasn't started yet. We got 4 games to cash around. We got to the top 8. I'd like to think Butters and I have enough to, kind of coast. But the number's sitting at 160 something over.
Yes.
And then, yeah, it's going to be a top 8 bracket later. Should we go ask 220 Bowler if he wants to film for us? Is he even here? He might be sleeping still. That's fair, but hopefully we can find somebody to film. If not, sorry. A little tilted. I'm 7'10", 2 balls in the 10. I'm plus 78 for the block, which isn't terrible, and it doesn't really matter to be honest, but it's just a little annoying. So we got 2 more games to just, honestly, these next 2 games are kind of pointless. But let's bowl again just cuz.
What's up, guys? 220 average bowler here. I averaged 190 yesterday and didn't make cut, so I get to be Darren's cameraman today.
Over that block. It wasn't the greatest bowling I've ever seen, and the 710 still kind of pissed me off, but I had a clean game last game. 257 to get to 477 over, still 40 behind Butters. I'm the number 2 seed. No idea who I bowl, but we've got matches coming up. So it doesn't really matter. We just got to beat our opponent, and hopefully we move on to the next round, do the same thing until we get the trophy. Through the gem, the altered, and the phase 2 that round. Just like yesterday, in a different order. Just gonna have to be smart, make the right choices, and make good shots.
Just
exciting in the next round. Made some poor decisions, but it all worked out, and we're bowling in the round of 4. Get the bowl against Fitz. We just gotta bowl better. That's the bottom line.
Again, this is a single game match. Winner's going to take home $2,200, and our runner-up will still take home $1,500 on a nice weekend.
Well, boys and girls, it wasn't in the cards, and honestly, we got kind of lucky that we got to the championship match. Fitz bowled really good today. You know, he had the opportunity to take me down again, but I guess I'm his kryptonite. I'm not really gonna think about it though. I'm just gonna keep doing the best I can every single time. But yeah, title match, I was fighting a lot of things. You know, I wasn't very comfortable the match before. That one I got, you know, kind of into a zone. But made the wrong ball choice early. Even the ball change I made, my ball still wasn't doing what I wanted it to do, but I wasn't sure what to do to that 6-bagger. And then threw one really bad in the 9th. You know what happens? Tez bowled really good. Even if I got the ball in the 10th, he still had ball in hand. Congrats to him. Both of his titles now have come against me, so maybe he's the D-Tang to my Fitz. In any case, I hope you guys consider subscribing if you enjoyed the content. I gotta drive home. We got Utah in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. Maybe we'll go to the Storm Factory.